Pooja, today I'm not able to write because that blister has become quite big on my hand.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's so a little painful.
Okay, yes,
I'll
Pooja.
watch, I'll see, and then I'll practice as soon as I'm able to lift this hand.
Okay, okay. Fine, Pooja.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, no worries. Okay. And then others. Ramya ji, Ansuya ji, Vidhi ji.
नमस्ते मैम।
Yeah,
मैम
namaste.
कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तो इसके लिए
Oh, is it?
मैंने
Okay, okay. Fine. Yes, fine. So we're learning a lot of things. So we all know. So there are people who have joined basic class, basic class on graphology. So you should have basic knowledge on graphology if you're joining level 1. So I've already made the announcement and everything. So the fees is 1,200. It's too less. Like I want to make this kind of knowledge, this kind of knowledge to be accessible. Okay, so that's the reason. So those are interested, you can join in today. So the offer will also end. So the actual price is 3,000 plus. So those are interested to join, so you can join today itself. Okay, or
Oh,
register.
already joined, Pooja. Any
But
class of yours, I keep joining.
yeah, yes, Pooja.
I have also paid Puja.
Yeah, yes,
Shabri.
Pooja. Yes. Okay, yeah. So we all know graphology is brainwriting. So whatever is stuck in your subconscious mind, So whenever you try to pretend like you're something, but you are something else, so that is going to reflect in a sheet of paper. So we all know what is handwriting. Yeah. So anything that you write, so anything you write is through your subconscious thought, subconscious mind. Okay. Now, well, let's start with just write any 2-3 lines. I'll give you 2 minutes, not 2 minutes. I'll give you 1 minute. Just write 3 to 4 lines, not 2-3 lines. 3 to 4 lines. Anything. Just write anything. Make sure you all have unruled sheet. So if you have ruled sheet, then just keep it out. So unruled sheet. So write anything. I'll give you 2 minutes. And also make sure you write anything starting with k kitchen or something. Make sure big alphabet k is there, not small k, big, the capital letter. And d also, d for dog, big D. You can write dog 3 times or anything. So make sure K is there and D is there. Yeah, so hope you all are done. Yes. Shilpi ji, Chandra ji, Yoganath ji, hello.
Hi Pooja ji, how are you?
I'm doing great, Yoganath ji. How are
So
you?
nice to see you. Good.
Yeah, thank you. Same here. Nice to see you after a long time. Yes. Okay, so just let me know. Hello, Ramya ji. Hello. Yes.
Poojaji, what do we have to do?
Yeah, you just have to write any 3 sentence, Yogna ji, in unruled sheet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Any
have
three
to send you?
sentences.
No, don't send it to me. Okay, just send it on the group, so, not now itself, later on. Okay, later, once the session is done, we'll be analyzing a lot of things. Okay, now, alphabet K and D talks a lot about your relationship with others, especially with your spouse, and also overall relationship. So relationship with your mother, father, brother, sister, husband, daughter, son, etc. Okay. I just want you to see the formation of K. Formation of K and D as well. Okay. Now, just tell me how many of you have. So, firstly, let's talk about D. Okay. Now, tell me how many of you have this D. No one?
No.
No? Okay. And this D? Something like this? No? Okay. And then, now how many of you have this D? Proper D? Shilpi?
Yes, I have this D.
And Sriyaji also?
Yes, I have Pooja.
Yes. And then, how many of you have this D?
No.
No? Awesome. Okay. Now, Chandraji. Chandraji, can you tell me how is your D?
Small d, ma'am. I put
No, not
when you
small D. Big D. I mean the capital letter. शिल्पी जी
yes, it's the
आपने
last
चेंज
one.
किया है
Last
मैंने
one,
तो सब
which
आपसे
you
सीखा
said.
है सबसे पहले वो वाला बनाती थी मैं डिजाइन वाला जो सबसे पहले आपने फर्स्ट टाइम दिखाया
हाँ,
उसके
हाँ।
बाद सेकंड वाला उसके बाद थर्ड वाले पे आई और नहीं जो फोर्थ वाला था फिर उस पे आई वो भी आपने मना किया था कि ये जो
Yeah.
दोनों आगे निकले होते हैं वो
Yeah.
सब बंद कर दिया बिल्कुल सिंपल डी बनाने लग गई हूँ।
वाह वेरी नाइस शिल्पी जी
वो
और
मेरे पास
आपका
अभी practice में
रिलेशन
है सब
चेंज
कुछ।
हुआ है शिल्पी जी
हाँ
चेंज
मतलब रिलेशंस मेरे बेटर हुए हैं मतलब
Better
सबसे रिलेशंस बेटर हुए हैं ऐसा नहीं है
ग्रेट
मैं टी और डी तो मेरे पास प्रॉपर चल रहा है के का मुझे आइडिया नहीं है तो टी और डी तो चल रहा है।
okay awesome nice शिल्पी जी can you see the kind of feedback what we have got so just by changing the formation of D she have seen a lot of changes in relationship okay so which is right method so this is the right method of writing D okay so it should be like a proper D so many people think it's fancy to write this D this looks very good okay so I'll just write something and show okay I love dogs so I've written dog can you see this looks very attractive D looks very attractive okay but if you actually see it's like inverted heart it's like inverted heart okay so it's like you want to give best but it's becoming ulta so you try to give your level best but everything is going opposite so that's the analysis so make sure you don't have this kind of thing. Okay so each
Ma'am, doubt.
letter yes Ramya ji
But in cursive, we are supposed to do it the other way. Rules don't apply here.
no that's not cursive writing Ramya ji that is it's not graphology it's calligraphy according to calligraphy so
Okay.
calligraphy is different graphology is different but
So
this
we
is-
have to overcome rules in case we need to correct our
yeah
relation pattern something.
yeah
We
yes,
need to
ma'am.
overcome the rules.
No, not like that so generally this is the best one this is for everyone in general
But in cursive, it is written some other way, no, madam.
I know. Cursive writing, cursive book
No.
itself is wrong. Too many mistakes.
Yes,
No,
okay.
I
You want
shouldn't
us to
have it.
avoid it.
Yeah.
Wherever we write, you want us to avoid that.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So subconsciously you'll start writing like this, whatever your D is. Okay. So Yogna ji, can you write how is your D? Everyone, if you can switch on your camera. D, can you? Okay. Yogna ji, only your finger is visible. Okay. So you belong to this one, this D, fourth one. Yes. Chandra
Yeah.
ji, Ramya ji, your screen is blur. Shilpi ji is D, I know already. Okay. Okay. So this is not the right way. So please avoid if you are into all these things, like you see lot of relationship, or if you have this D, it's like you're stuck in past, so not able to come out of something. Somebody would have hurt you. It's not only like, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend. It's not that one. Relationship means like relationship with everyone. So somebody near to you, close to you, would have hurt you, and you're still carrying that baggage. So that's what this D indicates. Okay, and this D and this D, you'll see a lot of ups and downs in your relationship. Oh my God. Okay, Ramya ji, 1 second. Can you show it again? This is your D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Ramya ji. So you know it, everything now. Okay, so these people have a lot of relationship issues. No matter what you try, things won't work according to your way. Even if you try to give your level best, other person will try to become against you. So some of the other issues will be there. So try to avoid this D. This is the most dangerous D. This one and this one. Okay, so this is like carrying the baggage. Somehow you can do meditation, this, that, and all. You can release it, but still opt for this one. I know this looks very simple, doesn't look stylish. Okay, but still you can write this D. Now, those who have relationship issues, this is the best remedy you can try. Okay, Shabriji, this is how you write D. 1 second, Shabriji.
చేసుకో మోస్తున్నా నాకు homework ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియదు తీసురా
Shabriji? Huh. Yes, Shabriji. Perfect.
This is
But-
my D.
Yeah. Yes, Shabriji.
Okay.
Yes. Awesome. So this is right D. Okay. Now, can you all write kitchen 3 times? So don't be conscious, like she's going to check my graph. So don't be conscious. So however your K is, write 3 times and just send it to me. Don't send it to me, the short. Okay. Yogna ji, 1 second. Okay. And others, Ramya ji, 1 second. Ramya ji, can you show it? Okay. I know about everyone's life, how are you all and everything. Shilpa ji, can you show it, Shilpa ji? 1 second. Okay. Fine. Shabri ji and Chandra ji, 1 second. Shabri ji, okay, fine. And then Chandra ji. चंदा जी थोड़ा आगे रख सकते हैं. Okay. K. So what K talks about? K also talks about relationship. Okay, so K also talks about relationship. Now, so there are types of K. Okay, so if you do analysis and all, many of you have K which is detached from the line? This K. Can you check at least once if you have this? Can you just check? Handwriting, yes. Chandraji has this, I saw. Okay, and then others. Ramya ji, Sanjana, Ansuya ji. Detached, completely detached. Okay.
No.
These people might not have, lot of time, or you don't feel like spending time because of because of circumstance, some or the other circumstance. You might do household work and everything, career, handling finance, everything is fine, but you don't have time to spend time, with your husband, wife, and you see a lot of communication gap as well. Okay, misunderstandings, all these things are possible. Chandraji, are you able to resonate with this?
Misunderstanding with the relations, ma'am.
What Chandraji?
With misunderstanding or communication gap with the relations.
Not
With
yeah,
relations.
relation, yeah, obviously relation, or especially with husband, children, so all these things. Yeah.
No one try to understand this is happening.
Oh, is it? Okay. Can you see misunderstanding? The worst thing, so you try to do something,
You
but people misunderstand you. Okay, so
जादूगर हैं आप, जादूगर.
and it's all divine knowledge, but yeah, thanks, Chandraji. Okay, so those who have lot of miscommunication, misunderstanding. So misunderstanding, we all know what is misunderstanding. Oh, I misunderstood and everything. Miscommunication or communication gap is when you feel I'll try to do something and expect other person to understand whatever I'm doing. Okay, so if you have that kind of feeling, so it's easily reflected. Okay, so I'll give you one more example. Now Chandra ji would have prepared someone's favorite dish, maybe your daughter's favorite dish, husband's favorite dish. Okay, samosa, kachori, something homemade. Okay, she would she would expect other person to praise her, at something, but you'll be like, oh, nobody's there to praise, nobody's there to understand what I have gone through, so that's the feeling. So people misunderstand you, and you'll have a lot of communication gap as well. Okay, and the way you communicate will also be wrong in the sense it won't be understood by someone. Okay, now let's say there are so many flowers. Okay, if I just say give me that flower, what will you come and give? Then again you'll get angry, you'll be like, no, that's not what I want, something else. You'll go pick some purple color flower, but what you want is yellow flower. Okay, so that kind of miscommunication will be there. Is it true, Chandra ji? Yes.
Yes. Sometimes प्रोटोकॉल से भी इफेक्ट होता है, तो मैडम कहते हैं तुम्हारे प्रोटोकॉल से नहीं, वो तो हो गया, होना था तो मैं ठीक हो गया, ऐसा भी होता है.
Oh, okay. Yes, Chandra ji. So this is about the K, so when you have lot of gap. Okay, so in graphology, so we all know so there are 3 zones in graphology. Okay, so this is called upper zone, this is middle zone, and lower zone. 3 zones compulsory. Okay, so this talks about your intellectual capacity, your thought process. So you have positive thoughts, or there are so many things. Okay, and this talks about your emotions, relationship. So we all know heart is over here. Okay, so here you can see gap. So there's no connection at all. So no heart to heart communication. Okay, and this talks about your action. Okay, so this talks about how practical you are. Okay, so this is on K. Now tell me, how many of you have this K? The types of K again. I think nobody has this K. Just check if you all have it. I think Ramya ji might have it because I know everything about everyone. Okay, okay. Can you all see? Can you keep it closer, Ramya ji? Closer, closer. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. So this K. So you know, this looks like not. So this looks like not. Okay. So this talks about past baggage. Past baggage, or now we all know this is present moment. You know, whatever it is today. So this is present moment. So whenever you have had any issues, you know, if it's still going on from past 2-3 years, so whatever relationship issues you have, if that one thing is stuck in your head for a very long time, this is how it's going to reflect in your sheet. Okay, maybe you never had a good married life at all. This talks a lot about marriage. You know, this K, D, and everything. Okay, so Ramya ji, I'm actually surprised to see everyone's handwriting. Chandra ji, in numerology also I've told you, you know, you get
Madam, may I just share one thing?
What, Ramya ji?
May I just share one thing?
What?
One word I wanted to say.
Yeah, sure, Ramya ji.
How much I try, after you told me, I cannot make a simple K. I just love writing the previous K. I cannot come
Yeah.
out of it. I cannot
Yeah.
forgo that font.
Okay, yes. So that's how you're rewiring your brain as well. Okay, so when you still write this K, I know this looks very stylish, you know, this K and this D looks very fancy, looks very pretty and everything. But so if you start writing this K and all, right, so it's like you're sending signals to your subconscious mind. I want to attract bad relations. I want to attract bad relations. In reality, that's what, you know. So no matter how much you try to forget that person, how much you try to forgive that person, same pattern keeps repeating again and again. So Ramya ji, try to change this. I will be very happy to hear feedback after 1 month. Yes. So simple K and simple D.
पूजा के लोग ऐसे
हेलो
बी भी बनाते हैं ना,
क्या
बी
आंटी?
बॉल। ऐसा के जैसे आपने डी बताया है वैसे बी भी बनाते हैं ना, बॉल वाला बी।
अब B also, yeah. For B also
Yes.
they do this. Yeah.
हाँ,
Yes,
वो
aunty.
अच्छा है कि नहीं वो?
नहीं, no aunty, not at all.
ओके।
Yes. Okay. So I'll give you remedies, you know, so what should be done and everything. Because graphology, symbols, code, everything is connected. So make sure you all don't have this K. And please don't follow this pattern. You will, even if you say, okay, now, for example, relationship with everyone is fine. You have relationship issues only with specific person, husband. Okay. Everything is fine, but you keep attracting this again and again. Or if not with husband, something else will happen. You know, again, relationship issues, same pattern but with different person. Okay, so try to avoid this K at any cost. Okay, so this is dangerous, I can say. Okay, I've seen many people going through a lot of things, and they will have this skill. Okay, I would never suggest you all to write this. Okay, and past related memory keeps running no matter what. You do meditation, you do acupressure, color therapy, and everything. So same pattern keeps repeating in your mind. Okay, and moving forward, letting of something past will be very difficult for such people. So is it true, Ramya ji? Yes. Yes. Okay. So make sure you don't write this scale. Not at all good. Okay. And then next one, next one is that so many types of alphabet. Okay. Anyone with this scale? So here, K, the loop is here, but here the loop is here. So anyone with this scale? Check your handwriting. Okay. No. So these people are also, like they focus more on other aspect, finance, career, and everything, but they don't have um, good bonding or anything with their family members. Okay, those are important to them. Like we spend time with relatives and all, friends, relatives, very occasionally. But main thing is to give a lot of prominence time to your family members. So that thing will be missing. Okay, so this is on this scale. Okay, yes, and then done everyone. And okay, so how many of you have this scale? I guess nobody has this last one. The stroke is little bigger. Yeah. So these people can easily cheat others. Okay. For example, now let's say wife is very good, simplicity, pure heart, she earns well and everything. But husband has this care. Okay. So husband might take advantage of his wife, to her simplicity. Not just saying, I don't have money, can you give some money? Cheating in every aspect, money, career, emotionally. It's like, physical and mental torture for them. Okay. So make sure you don't sign like this. Make sure you don't sign like this. Okay. Now let's say even if you're a good person and if you start practicing this care with the longer stroke, your thought process will change. You feel like taking advantage of someone, even if it's not necessary. So this is how your brain wires. Okay. So this is on the last care. Okay. So make sure nobody has this. Nobody should have this. Okay. And then there's still so many cases. Anyone with this K? There are types, so many types. There are 30 types of each alphabet, So we're talking more about this. So can you see this K? So there is no connection at all. So this is one line, separate line, separate line.
Pooja, you need to move the paper. We
Yeah.
are unable to see the. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so there is no gap at all. So there's a lot of gap. So there is no connection at all. How many of you have this? Okay, so there is no gap and everything. These people cheat in relationships, taking advantage of everything, physically taking advantage, emotionally, just by saying, I love you, I'll marry you itself and everything. By the end of the day, they'll be like, no, I want somebody else. So, a lot of cheating personality. Okay, so this is on K. So, if your K is proper, so this is the right way to write K. I have seen many people, everyone, I think most of you have written something like this. So can you spot the difference between this K and this K? What's the difference? Can someone identify?
The first one is balanced. The second one is like the lines are big and small.
Yeah, yes. So can you see here the gap is too much and here the gap is very small. It's not balanced here. Okay. Most of you have this K. Can you all check once again now? Can you all check once again? It's not balanced.
मेरा अपोजिट है, ऊपर वाला जो स्ट्रोक है वो छोटा है और नीचे वाला स्ट्रोक बड़ा है। तो अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि थॉट प्रोसेस और एक्शन प्रोसेस, तो थॉट प्रोसेस मेरा कम है, एक्शन प्रोसेस मेरा ज्यादा है।
ज्यादा है, okay. Yes.
Yes, Pooja, I have same.
Same, yes.
Upper gap is more,
Uh-huh.
down gap is less. What you have showed just now.
Yeah, even I feel the same.
Yeah, yes. How many of you have perfect K? I didn't see in anyone's handwriting. Like, how many of you have that perfect K? No one?
Ma'am, I am having.
You have it, Tansuji? Can you show it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see?
Tansuji?
Yes, here.
Okay, 1 second. It's not balanced, Tansuji.
Okay.
You have not. How many of you saw the knot? Can you show it once again, Tansuji?
वो तो नोट्स है उसके
second
अंदर।
Yeah, knots.
Yeah,
Can you
notes is
see?
there
Yeah.
and unbalanced. Yeah.
Ansuji, I think even you have lot of relationship issues, like overall struggle and everything. Yes, Ansuji. Can you unmute, Ansuji?
Knots are not there, ma'am.
Knots are there.
Maybe she draw that knot to take the notes.
But we saw in the other lines also. Okay, anyway. So yeah, so this is how you're supposed to write K, so make sure you practice proper K. Okay. So if you
Okay,
do
ma'am.
this remedy, I know this looks very simple and for some people this might look silly also. If you practice it every day, you see a lot of changes in your relationship. So the way others see you in a different perspective, the way you see others in different perspective, everything changes. Okay, so I want you to practice this K and D, proper K and D. Okay, you will definitely see changes. Okay.
So Pooja, if
Yes,
the
Shabri.
upper gap is broad and the down
Yeah.
gap is less, then what
Yeah.
does it mean?
Okay, so can you show it, Shabriji? Let me analyze it more.
Let me see.
Yeah. Can you switch on camera?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Shabriji. 1 second. I'll put you on spotlight.
My two types of K are there. One is upper gap is less,
Okay. Uh-huh.
means the imbalanced K only, but
Okay.
different, both the types are there.
Okay. So can you all see this K properly? So I want to tell something about this K. I think even Shilpi ji has this. Can you see the second line? Kitchen is my favorite something she have written. So can you see that K? And 3 times she have written down. You know the last line. Okay. Okay. Now those
मतलब
who have this
तीनों तीनों different है उनके.
तीनों भी different
Yes,
है.
हाँ जी.
every K is different.
Yeah,
Yes.
everything. But if you actually see, you know, the majority of her K is, you know, the upper zone has lot of gap and here it's just small gap.
Yes.
So that indicates, you know, you want to do something special, you know, especially with your kids, your husband and all. You keep thinking, okay, I should do this, I should do this, I should do that. But in reality, you will be able to do only like 40-50%, Shabriji.
True.
Yeah. Yes. For example, now let's say you have
Very true.
daughters. Now, one of your daughter like Papa ji, another daughter likes something, no, bisi bele baat or something. You want to prepare, you'll be like, okay, tomorrow I should prepare this. Okay, but somewhere you'll be like, oh, my schedule is packed. I'm not able to give that enough time for her. So this is the analysis, Shabriji. Is it true, Shabriji? Can you resonate with this?
Yes, Pooja.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So can you give your
Totally
example
resonate.
if you're okay with it, Shabriji?
Yes.
Yeah. What example? Like what's the according to you, what is it?
Yeah, means what you said, that is perfect, Pooja, that I am unable to balance the things like,
Yeah. Yes.
uh, yes. And even I see lot of this thing to manage time as well.
Time.
टाइम
Yeah.
मैनेजमेंट में बैलेंस होने में मुझे थोड़ा दिक्कत हो जाती है.
Okay.
I've seen.
Yes. Now I think
If
you're
I
good in time management, Shabriji, but when it comes to balancing professional life and personal life, that's where that's where everything is going wrong. Yes. Shilpi ji, how about you?
मेरा ठीक है कि मतलब समझ आ गया मुझे कि हाँ कहाँ पे एक लैक आ रहा है.
हाँ.
वो कर लूंगी मैं उसको. मतलब जैसे मैंने टी डी करा है बहुत बार कट कर करके रिपीट बनाया उस सेंटेंस को, तो उसको भी
Okay.
कर लूंगी. आ
Wow.
जाएगा हाथ में.
Yes, definitely, Shilpi ji.
बिल्कुल.
Very
Thank you.
nice. That should be the spirit. Because Shilpi ji have actually tried, correcting D alphabet, A, B, C, D. Okay, and she have
बहुत
seen-
प्रैक्टिस की है मैंने डी की, क्योंकि हमारा है देहरादून और देहरादून में डबल डी, और मैं तो बहुत स्टाइलिश बड़े प्राउडली बनाती थी उस डी को. इतना स्टाइलिश बन रहा है मेरा डी, कितना गजब का. और जब सुना कि ओह ये सारी दिक्कतें डी की वजह से है,
ये
इतने
D.
रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज और इतनी सारी दिक्कतें,
Yeah.
बस उस दिन के बाद से तो मैंने डी छोड़ दिया. वो सब कितनी बार कट करा, मतलब मैंने पूरा पूरा लेटर भी या पूरा सेंटेंस भी लिखा, उसको फिर कट करा, दोबारा से लिखना शुरू करा. नहीं, इसको ठीक करना ही करना है हर हालत में.
Okay. But उतना भी changes हुआ है ना शिल्पी जी
हाँ
रिलेशन?
बिल्कुल, बहुत चेंज हुए. मतलब मुझे एक्चुअली में ये चीज समझ आई जब से, तो मैंने उसको प्रॉपर यूज कर रही हूँ और मुझे बहुत इफेक्ट है उसका.
Okay.
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि हाँ ग्राफोलॉजी वर्क करती है, सबसे बड़ी बात.
Awesome. Very nice, Shilpi ji. Yes. So you all know how D and K works. Okay. So even if it looks stylish, so try to avoid this K, this D and everything. And see what all changes will happen. Okay. And I just told you I'll give you one remedy. So those who have emotional baggages, because 90% of my students, they have issues with past baggages. There's something they're not able to let go of. Okay, so if you have this issue, make sure you all have blue pen, blue sketch pen, dark blue. Dark blue or green color. So first try with dark blue color, and then after few days you can try with green color. Remedy is so simple. Now, first tell me how many of you have issues with, letting go of anything, or if you have grudges on someone, unable to forgive. Ramya ji, Shilpi ji also, okay?
Not able to, grudges are not there, Puja, but
Yes.
yes, the thing keeps coming into mind again and again.
Again and again.
But
Okay.
I'm not having that grudge.
Grudge.
But I'm unable to forget that. Not
Forget.
forgive, but not forget. Unable to forget the things.
Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Fine. So there is one small remedy. So according to color therapy, so we all know Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jal, Prithvi, Kal, Dishaman, Atmatam, 10 elements. So out of which we have Jal element, finger number 4, right index finger. So what is number 4 all about? All free sessions should also be like revision class. So can someone explain about Jal Tattva, Jal element? When you think about 4, what comes to your mind?
Flush out
Um,
the things. Flush out the things.
bonding.
Bonding. Yes. Who said that? Yognaji taught?
Yes, Poojaji.
Yes. Okay. So water, go with the flow. Yes, Shriji. Shriji just mentioned go with the flow. So when you drink water also, so we have something known as water manifestation. Water remembers everything, everything, So whenever you're taking shower, whenever you drink water, whenever you're using water, so basically when you're washing vegetables or anything, so always have that positive intention. So whenever you, how many of you, okay, I just want to know what kind of thoughts you have when you're drinking water. If you're drinking with a lot of stress, you're feeding stress. Okay, when you're overthinking and if you have a lot of anger issue, I just want to drink water with that emotion. So you're feeding that emotion itself. So water remembers everything and your cell also remembers everything. So your cells are super powerful. So I've already told this, I keep giving this example. So we all don't know how our grandmother looked, so you don't know what's her facial feature and everything. But her eyes might be, her eyes might be on your face. Okay, her nose might be like you, so whatever it is. So there is connection with everything. Okay, so water is all about letting go with the flow. Okay, and to bind two things together. So we all know how cement is made up of. Cement only with the help of water you can mix it properly, and we all know the final result. Even if you break the walls, it won't break. So that should be the bonding between you, your family members, and everything. So whenever you have issues with forgiving, so you will have some or the other, gel related issue. It can be water retention, excess cold, running nose, some kidney related issue, joint related issue, and everything. So those who know color therapy, so you all have idea how gel element works. Okay. So I want you to take green or dark blue sketch pen and draw this symbol. So I'll just show it. So I just want you to look at the screen, everyone. So start from here. Okay, so this is how it goes, and then backwards. Okay, so cut this sheet and paste it in your bedroom. So wherever you sleep, so just paste it and see the vibration. It changes. Okay.
Pooja, please show the symbol once again.
Okay, so Shriji is asking, is it better to write normal instead of cursive? Cursive handwriting is the worst book you will ever have. All cursive writing books are, I shouldn't tell this, but it's not good. No, I don't know what to say more than this, but yeah. Okay, so start from here and write.
What's the name? Symbol name?
So this is to forgive. So this is to forgive anyone. So those who have grudges, those who have
Can we write
resent-
left side? Can we write left side anyway?
you can write it on your left hand also. Yes. Shriji, can you unmute? Usually I don't read
So
this box, chat box.
on
Okay.
hand
My
also, Pooja, you
question
will
was,
use
it's,
One
W.
second, Shabdiji, 1 second.
so my
Shabdiji,
question was, is it better
Okay.
to write separate, like as used to write before, not not in a flow, like every alphabet is separate. Is that good?
every alphabet is separate. Yeah, yes, Shriji.
But I mean, we used to be actually beaten up in the school to write it together, and now we have to
No,
change.
no, I'm not talking about that. So whenever I give you any remedy, make sure you write each alphabet, like 50
No,
times
no,
or something.
not that one. Normal when we are writing notes,
Oh, it should be joined. It should be joined.
it can be joined,
Joined, yes.
not separate.
No, not separate. Yes. So if you have this kind of handwriting, now for example, um, so if this is your handwriting, okay. So this is how you're supposed to join everything in it. So if you have
Okay.
this kind of handwriting, so firstly, let me know if you have this kind of handwriting. Anyone? Second one? No? It's good that you don't have. Shriji, how about you? Because you're the one who asked this question.
I have tried all possible things, but my handwriting looks like a doctor's handwriting. I have not been able to.
Okay.
I
So
write
make
very
sure.
fast. I write very fast.
Okay. Yes. So if you have this kind of
No,
handwriting,
not that, not that. So, I mean, only when some specific names have to be written, yes,
okay.
I have to write it. Otherwise, it's
Yes. Now, if you have this kind of handwriting, you just feel like isolating yourself from everyone, because every alphabet is single. So when we all are together, our hands automatically goes like this, for group pictures or whatever, hugging or like, holding someone like this. Okay. But if it's single picture, one identity, so we all stand like this, it's a standalone alphabet. Okay. So make sure you don't have separate alphabets, so make sure you all join everything and write. Okay. Yeah. So this is the remedy for today. Okay. So this helps you to let go of all the past baggages, grudges, anger, resentment, maybe even childhood traumas, inner child healing, everything. Okay. So now I want you all to close your eyes. Even if you
Please
can,
show that picture, ma'am. Which symbol you have shown just now?
I will make a video and share it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So everyone try with dark blue pen. Okay. After 2 weeks or something, you can try with green. Okay. I want you all to close your eyes. Close your eyes. So just think of all your whatever bad memories you had. Okay. So I'm not asking you to feel and cry about it. So just go back to those memories, because you're going there to heal all the situations, circumstances, and everything. So think about it. Okay. Now you're forgiving the situation, that person, that circumstance, and everything. Make sure you all forgive that person wholeheartedly. I know it's difficult. if anything goes wrong in the body, so first chakra to be blocked is your root chakra. So that's why you feel insecure, fear of future and everything. Now think about your present situation. You're trying to heal yourself completely without any grudges, resentment, because you are blocking your own abundance. Even if you have done mistake, if you are feeling guilty about it, anything, so make sure you're recovering, you're healed, everything is done, and you are new person. Okay, now I want you to chant. Don't write this, don't be in hurry, don't open your eyes. I want you to chant 2221568. It's 2221568. Please chant this 2221568. 2221568. Now you may slowly open your eyes. Yeah, so this is the task. Okay, only if you have these issues, issues with anything, grudges, anger, you know, carrying a lot of baggages, emotional baggages. So make sure you all chant this. Okay, even if other person is trying to hurt you, whatever it is, you can see a lot of changes in relationship. Okay, so this is the remedy. So I'll repeat the number. So it's 2221568. 2221568. So keep trying and share your feedback on group. Okay, so I know nobody does that. So they'll just text me privately. So if anything happens or any changes, so keep posted on the group. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed the session. So
Yes, we did.
graphology class is going to start from Thursday. So the fees is 1,200. So we have so many concepts, like how to start writing and everything. So the right format. So we have so many concepts. What is baseline? So many other concepts. Page concept, handwriting. So we'll be talking about each alphabet as well. So you know what A talks about, B talks about. So I talks about relationship with you and your parents. Okay, D and K talks about personal relationship. Okay, so each alphabet talks about something. So we'll be discussing everything in detail. Okay, so yeah, so see you all soon. Yeah, so take care everyone and
Thank you.
welcome. Take care. Bye
Pooja,
everyone.
Pooja,
Yes, yes, Shabri.
Shabri here.
Yes, yes.
Numerology classes are over.
No, 6:30, Shabiji, you can join in.
Today?
Yeah, yes.
But I will watch the recordings only because earlier classes I have
Yes,
missed.
sure. Yes, Shabiji.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yes. Take care. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Take care.